Alright guys, now I'm about to go do a little bit of kayaking today. If anybody has a kayak or anything, you're in Austin, or you have friends that have kayaks, right now I'm at the Austin High boat launch. This is right outside Austin High, the high school. You can just put your boat right here, or kayak or whatever, and you can start, and you're pretty much right on the river. And if you're standing right here, to your left is Barton Springs, not too far down. And if you take a right, it's going towards Mopac. So first, I'm gonna go to Barton Springs. I'll show you everything there first. And I'll show the places you can rent kayaks and boats at. There's one down this way, and there's one on Barton Springs. I'll show it to y'all. Alright guys, I kayaked all the way to like the entrance. This right here is the entrance to Barton Springs if you end up parking over there at the Austin High boat launch and you kayak to the left. This is the entrance to Barton Springs. It's downtown. I think that's the Congress Bridge over there. On Saturdays, Sundays, there's always a lot of people out here. A bunch of people, especially in the summertime, then it's very packed. I'm about to go inside Barton Springs. I'll show you down there. The water is more clear, nicer. This is way better. I don't know if you can see this little plane, one of those biplanes. That's all right. Okay guys, you see the bridge right there? You're not supposed to jump off it, but people do it anyway. You can do it. I think it's probably like maybe 35, 40 feet up maybe. The water's probably, it's about 15 feet deep right there in the middle. It's not too bad, but I'll give it a jump right now. I'll show you how it looks. Like this, when you're up there and you want to try to give it a jump, make sure you look around. Sometimes the cops are on bikes and they'll come up and they can catch you and they'll give you a fine. But the easiest way to get up on that bridge right here, if you're kayaking, it's right there. What you do is you park your kayak right there on the right side, and then you kind of like bear crawl all the way up, jump the little fence. Make sure you go in the middle. Either side, it don't matter. You can jump off of, as long as it's in the middle. Well, yeah, you can do it anytime. All right, I'll be right back. Park right there, see the columns. You kind of like bear crawl up here. The bridge is right there. There's a lot of people up there today. Kind of just like, oh damn, left my shades on. Hopefully I don't lose my shades. Maybe not. So I'll give it a try. I guess I'm gonna have to hold my shades. Water ain't too cold. It's not too bad. All right, give it a try. Not too many people down here. Water's not too cold. Well, here we go. Okay. Hope I don't lose my shades. I'll put it in my sunglasses. Why not? Perfect view. Both sides. Fuck it. Let's give it a try. Nobody coming? Let's go. Woo! That's how you do it, huh? Water's beautiful though. There's the bridge right there. Oh my god, my kayak's floating away. Look at the water. There we go. Woo! Woo! There we go. Hell yeah. Trust me. You have to go for it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, damn,
It's not that cold at all, trust me.
okay, we might.
Go for it.
I'm down.
Woo.
I'm down to go jumping now. How deep is it?
It's about 9 to 10 feet.
Tracking?
Huh? Oh, my kaяк's right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Y'all should go for it. Yeah, I do it all the time. Right. Simple Rick here, man. So I got some people want to join me over here. How's it going? Good. What's up? What's your name?
Misha.
Misha. I'm Rick.
Nice to meet you.
Yep. Right. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna jump another time.
Dude, you can totally record on
Yeah. She wants to give it a shot. She wants to jump with me. Yep. All right. Well, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna show her there's nothing to be afraid of. Wanna help us? Go fast like it. Yep. There we go. Woo. There we go. What else coming? One more time. Yep. All right. Woo. Woo. Here we go. Give it a shot. Just hang on the ledge.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Launch myself off and
Yeah. Yep. Yep. You got it. Woo! Here we go. Yeah. Woo!
You just fight, you did like 55 minutes.
thank you guys for your moral support.
You're welcome.
Done it without you.
So this first place, it's right on Barton Springs. You can actually rent your kayaks and paddle boards and canoes. It's actually $15 an hour and $45 for the whole day. And to get to this one, you actually park at Zilker Park, and then actually you walk all the way down here past the little railroad tracks, and you can rent them right here. And Barton Springs Pool is right over there. You actually have to pay to get into that one. I think it's like $4.
Why did I do this?
Only that, it's free to go on the outside. You can take your dogs. It's pretty nice. And this one's the Zilker Park boat rentals. Yeah, you can find it in your Google map. It's like right next to the Zilker Park, right next to the Barton Springs Pool on your Zilker Park. Google map. I'll show you the other side. Now this spot right here is just right outside Barton Springs pool. You don't have to pay to come out here on this side. You can bring your dogs and everything. That's the side where the fence is at. You have to pay. There's a bunch of, you know, you can lay your towel there. Like I said, it's probably like $5, I think. I haven't been there in a while. And it's the same way to get here. You park up those stairs right there. Zuga Park on Barton Springs side, and you can just walk down the stairs up there and you just go swimming here. And, you know, the water's very clear, extremely. And it's actually natural springs getting fed from the pool over there. Like I said, you can dive over there. There's a diving board in there and everything. Actually getting real close. Not too bad. Look at that little guy. Current's taking him away. All right. There you go, guys. On top of the bridge over here. This is Congress Bridge, I think. Walk over. Gotta be careful. My kayak. Easiest way to get up here if you don't have nobody. Get whatever kayak you have, turn on the side, jump up there. Unless you have somebody with you. And then let them give me a booster up top. Not too bad. Oh, comes the Lone Star. Why not? I'm gonna go look at these people when they come by. Well, lucky there's no cops, so it's one good thing. So I got a little tour group going on over here. Lone Star. It's a little barge action. Actually, I think you can rent that out too if you're having a party or something. They park way up there by the hotel. Not too bad. What's up? Not too bad. Over there chilling. They're chilling. What's up? Little paddle boats. It's not too bad. And you can't jump from here as long as you're not jumping near that area. If you jump from this section or this section, make sure you jump towards this way, because it's really deep there still, but over there there's still rebar sticking up from the concrete, so you got to be careful if anything. You jump from that side or from here. Either way you jump from, it's pretty nice. Water's still good looking. Jump in, jump out, whatever. Well, I might as well give it a jump. Why not, huh? Well, let's go. It's cold on this side. All right, guys, this is the Texas Rowing Center right here. And actually the prices vary on weekdays, and actually weekends actually costs a little bit more. Y'all gonna have to call for the prices on those because from where I see, it probably goes up like $5, $10 on the weekend. Depends what kayak or canoe you get. The small ones it's a little bit cheaper. The bigger ones they go up a little higher. But you can rent any of the things here, even the paddle boards over there. I think on the weekends they're like 20 bucks like an hour or so like that, or for the whole day. But not too sure. It's like, so you have to call and ask, or just show up. They accept credit cards and cash, so give it a try. And it's right here by Austin High. You can park anywhere right there by that football field, anywhere in there. And the Mopac Bridge is right there. There's a parking lot underneath there if you can't find anything on the street out here. So it's not too bad. Well, I'm gonna call it a day. I've been out here for quite a while and I'm freaking hungry. All right, y'all, take it easy.